Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you how to change a flat tire. It's a skill that every driver should have, and it's not as difficult as you might think. Changing a flat tire is something that can happen to anyone, anywhere, so it's important that you know how to do it. In this video, I'm going to go through every step of the process so that you'll be prepared if it ever happens to you. Before we get started, you're going to need a few tools. First, you'll need a jack. This is the device that you'll use to lift the car up so you can change the tire. You'll also need a lug wrench to remove the lug nuts from the wheel. Finally, you'll need a spare tire. The first step in changing a flat tire is to locate the flat tire. If you're not sure which tire is flat, walk around the car and check each tire. Once you've located the flat tire, put the car in park and engage the emergency brake. Once you've located the flat tire, use your lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts. You don't need to take them all the way off, just loosen them so they'll be easier to remove once the car is up on the jack. Now it's time to lift the car up with the jack. The jack should be positioned under a strong part of the car's frame. Look in your car's owner's manual for exact instructions on where to place the jack. Once the jack is in position, start pumping the jack up and down to lift the car up. With the car now raised off the ground, it's safe to remove the lug nuts the rest of the way. Once they're off, carefully remove the flat tire and set it aside. Now it's time to put on the spare tire. Line up the holes in the wheel with the studs on the car and slide it onto the wheel hub. Replace the lug nuts and tighten them by hand. With the spare tire now in place, lower the car down off the jack. Once the car is on the ground, use your lug wrench to tighten the lug nuts as much as you can. Now that the spare tire is on and everything is tightened up, do one final check to make sure that everything is secure. Give each lug nut another good turn to make sure it's tight. Thanks for watching.